Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another vlog. So still have the contractor here with the work in progress here. This mark what week enough, and this is where they reach. Contractors. So we have latch number 2 constructed. I'm not sure if that one I go pass though. I'm not sure. I have to go look back upon. I think that one I go pass. Site number whatever. I'm going with them excavation for the day. You want your back on site? Hit me up. Go on again? Not yet. Not necessarily.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Everything up here full of rock. Few houses alone now have rock. Oh, they rock them? Soft. Wow, it's the worst location. The whole of we no press a blow. Next. You see better than your excavator. Yeah, boy. That's something that not worth nothing. That not worth nothing. Yeah, the movie road. Oh, okay. Keep in mind that oversighting has to take place over all the organic matters. That's what I call organic matters, but all of them green thing that have to come out. So remember how much I have vegetation, but I have to come out about 6 inches or so.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah. Separação, yeah.
No, not it is so.
Yo, push it up. Yeah.
Steak drive pony.
Voilà. Yo, wait a few minutes.
Smooth the freaking steak, and you'll have no problem with putting this down, but yes, sir. This is a big boy. This is a big boy.
That's what she said.
What type of tree is that? What type of tree road? Okay. Right, we have spent enough time over here. Let's see what else is going on there. So guys, as you can see, I'm back up by the office. It's pouring cats and dogs. The outhouse I'm showing you, outhouse are pit latrine. Further investigation showed that it was not supposed to be constructed. So if thou build thy outhouse, shall be responsible for thy own outhouse. We have latrine on site. We wanted to build a few more for just make everybody comfortable, but this site can't start without having like sewer disposal place. So we did say we're gonna build a couple more. Stay so book, get instructions. Someone never receive instruction, but them could have bothered with the long journey, so them go ahead and build them own, and that is not a thing on the people them site. So more than likely them have to demolish that, cause you have to watch too. The main reason why them try eliminate pits and all of that for contamination purposes. So nobody wants more pit on any site. So if more the year than what we did plan for, we have to go demolish. So I'm telling you say me go walk over the other side, as I say rain start fall, and we did also talk about things where we never really want go on the vlog. However, I can share with you say reinforcement is already installed for those sites. So those 3 units reinforcement installed for them, 2 more for erect. So after that we're gonna fully check them to make sure say forget to go ahead for casting, and you guys are gonna see casting. So them might end up being the first set of contractors to start casting. However, it is now a race between the first one I did show and them. And guys, I need to know down in the comment section how expensive is gas in your neck of the woods. If you're in Jamaica or overseas, give me in liters or gallon, because honestly where I am at this current date, low sulfur diesel is $225 to $230, and it is crazy. It is super extortionate. I can barely afford to buy diesel fuel. Like, it really expensive. So I want to know how it will beat, you know. I know some people it will beat them worse than me, and I know some people, a few, where it not really bother. So kudos to those on a little electric car and a hybrid and thing like that. When I have a time on the life, you know, especially being sadistic. Now that out of the way, let's continue, and guys, share up the videos, like up the videos, please. It help me buy gas. I want to know that is good right now. So we'll continue this video tomorrow, as I'm really hungry now, and I'm not really do a regular day in the life thing. I'm gonna go to supermarket or restaurant, so strictly site life. See you guys tomorrow. What is Aki? Yum banana. Guys, you don't know if you tell me, I can feel it. The jewel. Hold on. Hold on. I enjoy breakfast now, so you get busy, you know. So this morning I was feeling a bit ravenous, very hungry. So morning again, team Ismash. No day. But before we start the day, we have to consume some breakfast. This morning I did have a bit too much to do before I come here, so I start my day very early without breakfast, just tea. So now I have some breakfast and some inventory update. So guys, I'm very proud of this accomplishment. Very proud. This is what I'm talking about. It's been weeks. It's been weeks. It's been weeks. Even the profiles are set out. So all the units where this contractor get for bill, income, set out them profile, and I am grateful for the construction of this site shed as it has been long overdue. Give thanks. So you complain when complaints are to be made, and give thanks and acknowledge the fact when certain tasks are executed. Another day, another foundation. Another night.
So about the night? Another night, another climb.
Oh, fuck it!
Another site.
I take picture shot, bro. You see picture them?
Oh, me a video, man.
Listen, remember now. Anyway, I'm gonna come through them, man, and nobody can cast before me see because all of them sitting there.
So them have the mat. Then do the ground beam.
Yeah, but this one out. See, you might have this on the foundation.
Set up the clean out again.
So you want now?
Where you say?
Sorry. And what's this?
In a matter, I still have to clean because we still need to get the concrete coverage from the thing. Ready?
Do these links
The matter
hook
time the wall by pallet
ends or ends have to be hooked, or you can just go up straight? I don't think. On any drawing you're not going to see them here hooked. So what is the importance of having it hooked like this?
I'm not running for a scope, you know stuff. Alright, so let's step up in this one. Alright, so the back end of this. Rock. Look nice as that. You cut off the end of this. Big. But like this right as now,
Yeah.
you need to chip off the head of this to flat back with us everything can run. All of them they run this,
Yeah.
they have to chip off.
So cut off right as
Cut off the head of them, yeah. To get a
uniform thing.
flat thing so they can work right. You understand?
Yeah.
You can't still can't go over
Dilly
that.
dally.
Yeah. Like that. So then pretty much alright. So this is our veranda. Bathroom, back porch. Bedroom over there.
Yeah.
That I go up on site.
Why?
Them the deep part on the so where
To the deep part.
the lower side there. There's that part there and one back on there so.
We not pass the
You
tree.
can't car 3 feet man, you know me saying. I just that side there so.
These are stuff nursing. Daniel, check the foundation. Make sure no steel, no buck pan, no, something there. Come on, side bounce. See them, sure? Right, yes, too? We'll have to clear them. The steel has to don't fan rock, but okay. Them something I want to clear with. This, you know, lift up. This one, lift up.
That one they no cut up none at all man.
Yeah, but on the dog and the hold down the something already. We'll have to cut up first, then down.
This of an anchor.
That's
So if you look at, you see that? Just imagine how deep is the beam? 6 inch of this and this you have done in
no, but see, most of them in the bottom we carry go. I know pat up. Most of them
even
bottom
if
one.
we too
Most
short.
of them are bottom. The bottom one there.
Some no good on there.
Yeah.
So like all that one there. So I just this one have done now. Look up penis it.
But some of them are
Look up
back.
puny.
That's why stone.
You have to drive it down there.
No, you can't drive in all this man.
Drive.
You can't drive.
Get your drill and say so, huh? And drive. And then you put this down there.
I'm all down.
Get your drill and say so. And drive. Like you drive for your license. Drive and drive. Good. and then you get your license. Incorrecto. They want it to be completely strict on these contractors. Minuscule slash major things like these would make a project last forever. Correct me if I'm wrong, it's supposed to be 9 times the diameter at 135. Yes sir, this is unit number. By the way guys, these guys want chaos for this week, so what we do is that before any concrete is poured on site, we give instruction for the green light. So we come and inspect first, and then we let them know whether or not it is okay to pour. We do a termite treatment before the concrete is poured as well. We're having a few issues on site. Slowly but surely I will resolve them. Comes with the territory. Oh, I don't remember what this is called, but didn't have to move to change from a bucket to a hammer. Yes sir. So basically we're trying to get at depth, however deep we can go before we stay alright at here, so we start the footing. So the more hammer until we get somewhat of an even surface, and then yeah, we establish, get the floor level, we can. Good morning again guys, day 3 of the vlog. 2 fingers up, 3, my bad. It has been a crazy hectic, this crazy morning. Wind a blow over there so, and over there so I use a shed here for deflect some of the wind so you can't get the wind noise. However, we left off yesterday where the backwood the compound side and into that door, and never yesterday as well. I really do the filming thing every day, as I can't find time for film every single day, but even though I tell you guys I'm go there every single day, that is not possible. But we started excavation and we also started casting today of a foundation, so we're going get an update on that. In our next vlog we're going to include a lot of casting and hopefully block works. So these guys wanted to cast this. Enough coverage is not in this foundation and it need to clean out some more. We don't want them only put loose dirt there in there, so it don't make no sense. And if I look, you know, see no blinding pony. And another thing I wanted to share with you guys, and something that I was taught yesterday, even though I never done no research on it, was that these bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 3 bars are called the tie steel or tie bars or whatever, something like that. And at them I go where you know no stiffener and you go toot the blocks, so them have to cast right up as they act as a stiffener. I don't know if I was showing you this guys, but this is the dowel what them did make, and this is wrong. This cannot be an anchor bar. However, them fix it and they didn't grout the bar as well, so we'd have them grout it. So as you can see, the grouting is on it and you go right down. So your grout then drive the steel in there, and then we push up the excess not growth after, because then they don't put the slurry in after, and we say, oh, everything will go reach down. That don't make no sense. So this is also one on their side that didn't get approved for casting. As you can see, the earth cannot be used as the farm, so we have to box and cast these. 90% of the time when they dip on rock, you have to box and cast, if not 100. Them ensure say all of them growth it. Cause man they want cast, man they want work, so this not look bad at all. And this is all your waste resources on site. Exactly, resources.
Hello.
One bucket of water.
Well, you know,